What is the best loophole on an exam that you've ever witnessed? This happened at a university in Denmark, on a physics exam. The question was, explain how you could measure the height of a building using a barometer. A student wrote, drop the barometer off the top of the building in time, how long it takes to hit the ground. When the exam was marked, the answer was marked incorrect. The student quite rightly argued that his method would work, so the university arranged for an interview with a student to give him an opportunity to answer the question again. At the interview, the professor again asked, how can you measure the height of a building with a barometer? The student sat in silence for a while, and eventually was told he really needed to answer the question, or else risk failing again. So our hero then explained how you could drop it from the roof and time it, lower it with a rope and measure the rope, swing it like a pendulum and measure the period, measure the height of the barometer, the length of its shadow, and the length of the building shadow. Use the barometer as a measure of length, and go down the emergency stairs, marking off barometer units on the wall. Use the barometer to measure the difference in air pressure at the top and the bottom. For each of these, he gave a long, inaccurate description of the mathematics required. But lastly, he concluded by saying that the best way would be to find a caretaker, janitor, and say, if I give you this barometer, will you tell me how high this building is? Needless to say, he was given full marks. And who was he? Niels Bohr, who went on to receive a Nobel Prize for his contributions to quantum theory.